Hello students, welcome to your English class. We have done with worksheet first and now today we will start worksheet 2 which is related to the chapter To My Wheel. Okay, first of all write your name that on the space given here and class and mention the date of today. Okay, now exercise A, answer the following question. Question first is, what is the name of the poet of poem My Wheel? So the answer is Garrier Cooper. Okay, answer first is Garrier Cooper. Write the answer. The name of the poet is Garrier Cooper. Okay, try to write the answer as brief as you can in the worksheet. The next question is, where does poet go after he rides on his bike? Write the answer. He goes downhill and uphill. Okay, downhill and uphill. Okay, so here is answers to question 3 is, what is the color of the poet's bike? Do you remember the color? Yes, it is purple. Okay, so write the answer. Answer 3 is, the color of the poet's bike is, the color of the poet's bike is purple. Okay, purple. Okay, the color of the poet's bike is purple. Now next question, question number 4, who is best according to the poet? Answer is his bicycle. Okay, answer 4 is the poet's bicycle is best. Okay, the poet's bicycle is best according to him, or you can write only to him. Okay, the poet's bicycle is best according to him, or you can write only the poet's bicycle is best. Okay, now move further. Make sentences from the following words. You can get the help from the poem and you can easily write the lines from the poem which contains these words. Okay, the first one is bicycle, so you can write the sentence here. That space is given. Exercise B. Answer first. My bicycle is purple. Write the answer. My bicycle is purple. Okay, so here is the answer first. Next up, pedals. Write the answer. Pedals. My feet on the pedals. Okay, my feet on the pedals. Okay, here is the answer. Next is travel. Wherever I travel. You can write wherever I travel. Wherever I travel. Okay. Next is ride past. Write the answer. Ride past. Answer 4. The trees are happy. The trees are happy. The trees are happy to see me ride past. Okay. Here is the answer 4. Okay, let's move on to sentence 5. Wave gently. Wave gently. Write the answer 5. The flowers wave gently. The flowers wave gently. Okay, now full stop. This is answer 5. Next up is riding. Riding 6. Answer is riding. You can make the word as like I will be riding for sure. Okay, so I will be riding for sure. This is answer 6. So we have done with exercise A, B, and you have to do exercise C and D by your own. In exercise C, you have to color the bicycle and the traffic lights, and then exercise D, you have to write the names of the weather, and also you have to tell in which weather you will like to ride your bicycle and why. Okay, so it is related to your own choice. That's why I leave on to you. It's up to you. Whatever season or weather you will like to ride your bicycle, you can write down that. Okay, so exercise C and D you have to do by your own. I'll see you in next class. Thank you.